strengthening and just doing my balance and band work after. But yeah, it's just a sprained ligament in the ankle.
But is it worried that you have to sit out days of Gilas practices?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty painful. But all I can do is just go day by day and just eat right, work with decks to strengthen it, isolate it, and just ice and keep it elevated for now.
You were still shooting yesterday. Did you just feel that you were late?
Yeah, it happened during the 5-on-0, no contact. It didn't happen during the shooting. I was fine, and then right when I felt it, I just sat down. It was too painful to continue. So yeah, I was worried at first, but I feel a lot better. I feel a lot more confident now coming back from the doctor.
What did the doctor say?
It's just a sprained ligament in the ankle. I believe the term is it starts with a P, but there's 2 ligaments in the ankle running down the outside, and both of them are intact. So that's all I'm. Just said to rest. Maybe 3 to 4 days, something like that. It's unfortunate because we don't have a lot of time. I don't know if I'll be able to play in the tuneup game, which is disappointing for me. But I can't. Injuries are part of the game. We've been bitten by the injury bug before, but I just hope that it can, God willing, it'll heal faster than the projected time, because we don't have a lot of time to waste. And I want to be in absolute tip-top shape going into the tournament.